What is up, everybody? And today I will be doing another video. Okay, guys, so I've never been in this world, so I don't even know what to do. So if you guys have any info on it, you guys should tell me, because I don't know what to do. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, well, we're not gonna fish today, because I don't know what to do. What is this? What? I'm really confused. Okay, sure. We'll go with that. Nope, we're not doing this. This is boring. Okay, who needs a mom? Okay, I'll be your mom. I don't know. Guys, just remember I suck. I want to be a kid. Who doesn't? Okay. I need a mom. Okay, well, we ain't playing this, guys, because this is glitchy. Alrighty, you guys, so now we're playing this escape game, and we're gonna see how it is. I don't know how to get out, because it's just... Oh, that's a window. No, there it is. What the flipper? Where is the door? Where is the door, you guys? Oh, it's escape room. That's probably why. What the flipper? Why can't you get out of here? Oh, the door is right there. I'm stupid. Okay. This is a trading post. Castle Cove. Okay, let's see what's in here. What? No. Wait, what? What? I'm really confused. Why is this sound right here? Okay, move. Move. There you go. Okay. Oh, you have to escape or something. I don't know. Okay, well, let's just follow this guy because I'm really dumb. Okay, what's in this waterfall? Nothing. Okay. Nothing's in here. Oh, I wonder what I would do if I climbed it. I wonder where that would take me to. So you guys have, if you guys have any requests for me, if you have any videos that you want me to, if you guys have any videos that you want me to do on Roblox, go ahead and tell me in the comments down below what you would like me to say, or like what you would like me to do, because I have nothing to do and I'm just playing random games. So if you do, okay, well, that's impossible to crash fast. What? What the flipper? Oh. Oh, I'm a survivor, guys. Hide from the beast. What? Okay, I have to hide from the beast. I'm really confused. Okay, where am I supposed to go out? Okay, right into here? I don't know. Or is that where the beast is? I don't know. That gotta be where the... What? Is that where the beast is? I don't know. Okay, well, I have no clue where they want us to go. This is a basketball court. Why am I crawling on the... Uh-oh. Is something coming? Okay, how do you press E? Okay, why am I still freaking crawling? What? Now I'm stuck in the door. Okay, well, that's... Okay, guys, so now I'm playing the YouTuber game. How do you get down from here? Oh! That's cool. What the heck? Why is this guy driving me? Okay, I don't want to go on this. Okay, is there any, like, things that I could do? Nope. We'll just work on these things. Yeah, here's an obby. Because I like obbies, you guys. They're fun. Oh, there's some YouTubers right there. Yeah, how do you, what the... Oh, do you start from right here? I'm really confused. Oh, no, I died. Shucksy darns. What? Bro, it made me restart way over here. That's dope. And I just can't live without you. Oops, sons, little bit of wrestling up around. I feel like the other one would be honestly easier. Yeah, we're doing that other one. You just have to hop, 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 hop. And I just can't live without you. Juke. Sorry, I have this song stuck in my head from TikTok because my friend keeps singing it. And I just can't live without you. Juke's songs, a little bit of wrestling up all around. What the? Juke's songs, little bit of Russian up around. Okay, bro, I'm not playing this stupid game. It's dope. What? No, I don't want to play this. And I just can't live without you. Okay, we're gonna take the car because it's taking a million years. And I just can't live without you. What's in here? No clue. Hey y'all, I'm a YouTuber too. Cool, everybody. Why is everyone just in a full huddle? That sounds so boring. Okay. You guys are boring weirdos. I'm probably the dumb one, but I'm probably just dumb. That's probably what's going on. Wait, what? I'm really puzzled. Okay, we're gonna do that. Alrighty, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and make sure to subscribe. Links down below, and yeah, make sure to check out my other channel. It's called Lauren's Life, and this is Lauren's Gaming Life. So yeah, peace out, everybody.